It's here. It's this month's Allure beauty box. So if you want to see what's inside this month's curation, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracey. Chloe and Bandit aren't with me this evening, but if you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. We hope you decide to stay. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is the Allure beauty box. It is put out by the makers of Allure magazine, and the editors choose the products that are going to go in here and tell you a little bit about their experience with the products. You are going to get a mixture of full size and deluxe samples in this box. There's usually 2 or 3 full size, and oftentimes there's something that really packs like a huge price tag. So there is that. The deluxe samples are often a good size. They're not often teeny tiny like you might get in Ipsy. So when it comes to that mixture of full size and deluxe samples, I think this is probably your best buy out there if you're looking to try a mostly skincare box, because it is mostly skincare. Every now and then there's a makeup item, but mostly it's skincare. And it is a mix of the two. But again, you are going to typically get some real expensive full size. All right. I also have a little piece of friend mail. So this is from Sherry over at Single Mom Review. And it's got a cute little penguin on back. And I often forget to open friend mail on camera, so I'm going to try to get better about that. This is a little thank you card from her. She did win one of my December giveaways. And oh, look at this. She put some cute little stickers in here. She's got my name spelled out and Chloe's name spelled out. That's super adorable. Thank you, Sherry. And yeah, she just wants to send a quick thank you. She won a Scentsy bar and she loved it. So I'm glad you're enjoying it, and I'm glad that your classroom is enjoying it too, Sherry. So thank you for all your support. So, and Sherry's a great person to do collabs with. She's real good at organization. Being a teacher, I guess that's probably a big part of it, but she is great to do a collab with. So love working with her. All right, let's get into this Allure box. It's a little card. This is Happy Valentine's Day. There is your sneak peek. And right off the rip, now this was, I believe, a choice item. I believe you could choose your shade, I think. It is an Yves Saint Laurent lipstick balm. This is a full size. It's a $43 value. Now, would I ever walk into Macy's or anything and pick up something like this? No, I would not. But I'm happy to get it in a subscription box. I mean, $43 for, no. All right, there is how it looks. And this is this middle shade. I think I was torn between these top 2 shades. So I went with the more pinky one. Ooh, very pretty. I'm gonna put some of that on. Kind of has like a mango scent to it too. Or tropical fruit. All right, so there it is on. I think it's a lovely color. It's a creamy oil infused formula. So we like that. We need creamier lips, particularly as winter is winding itself down. And you don't even have to put lip balm underneath, because usually I do put lip balm on first. Next, by Ahava. This is their Essential Day Moisturizer for normal to dry skin. So it's a hydrating formula. This is full size and retails for $78. So, I mean, a $43 lipstick and a $78 cream. Come on. Come on. How wonderful is that? It says that it's not heavy and it doesn't pill on the skin, so you can wear it well under makeup and sunscreen. And it has aloe, vitamin E, and urea, a humectant that also helps exfoliate dry, dead skin cells. So I think I'm going to give that to my daughter because she has been having some flaking of her skin, particularly in the cheek area. So I think she's going to like that. She's been putting straight aloe on her skin. And the dermatologist said, no, don't do that. That's going to clog up your pores. So I think I'm gonna let her try that. Next, we have a third full-size item. This is a Tri-Balm 3-in-1. It's a cleanser stick. Never had a cleanser stick. It retails for $40. Now, I think I paid $20 for this whole box. There is how it looks. It up, and it is like it's just a balm. Oh, smells nice. Oh, it says it works magic, cleansing without water to refresh skin on the go. It has botanical oils, including carrot, rice bran, wheat germ. And you're just going to run it over your skin and wipe it away. And this is by Formulae Prescott. It smells really nice. All right, next by Happy Skin, we have a enzymic facial exfoliator, and it says Lush, like a creamy scent. I guess that's the best I could describe it. It does have some musk undertones, but it's not heavy. I'm surprised because when I was reading, it has pineapples, bromelain enzymes, and acids to unclog pores and brighten skin. So I assumed it was going to smell like pineapple, but it definitely does not smell like pineapple. So the full size of 100 grams is $26. This is half of that. This is 50 grams. So this is a $13 value. We have two more items in here. We have the Commodity Milk Scent, and this is a 5 milliliters or 0.17 fluid ounces. The full size is 100 milliliters, which retails for $145. So I have gotten, I believe, that size from like FabFitFun of this particular scent, but it was in the expressive space was maybe it was expressive. The scent space was, because they have personal and bold are like the two either ends, then this center end. This is in bold. I've never smelled their bold, so let's give this a little sniff. Right, there's how it looks. So it's still not a bad size, particularly, you know, when it comes to perfumes. I mean, I've never used up an entire perfume. So the bold is kind of for everyone around me to enjoy. And it says it has a blend of marshmallow, tonka bean, and milk. So I am going to tell you that it does not smell sweet like marshmallows in any of the scents. When you first spray it on, you're actually getting more of that tonka bean, more of that musk scent. And then as it starts to sit in there, you're going to smell the milk. And then a little bit after that, you're going to get that marshmallow scent. But it's not going to be like a sweet, sugary marshmallow. It's more like a campfire marshmallow without the smoky scent, if that makes any sense at all. And then last by Jasmine Beauty is the Brow Boss Styling Wax. Now a full size is valued at $20. That's 10 grams. And this is 5 grams, so it's half of that size. So it's about a $5 value, which is not bad. I know that this is a cruelty-free brand, so we like that. And this is just a clear brow gel. So, I mean, I'm going to open it. Just a little clear brow gel. It'll look like that, which I think is nice because anybody could use a clear versus if it was shaded. And I have gotten some shaded brow gels or pencils or whatever before in a non-customizable box, and that doesn't always work out well. All right, well, I think this was a pretty amazing box. I mean, we have that lipstick that is gorgeous, the face moisturizer, the very different cleanser. I think that's very different. And I'm really excited about this, actually, the face exfoliator. All right, but let me know your thoughts. What was your favorite item in the box? Let's see, my favorite item, I think, is this because it's got a very light shade, but it's soft, like it's balm-like. So it's something I could probably wear every day because I don't really put on, I'll put on like a lip balm every day and maybe a little bit of lip gloss, and then you know, pretty much done. Like it wipes off and I'm done. So I do like that though. I think I would probably carry that around with me and reapply because it is so nice and light and moisturizing. All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.